Restrictions of rational expression. I'm Anil Kumar, and now let us explore how to find restrictions on any rational expression. We are given 4 here, and the question is, for what values of the variable is the given rational expression not defined? So not defined really means we cannot have denominator equal to 0, right? So we are looking for denominator that should not be equal to 0, right? If denominator is 0, then it is not defined, correct? So for what values, there could be more than one, of variable is the given rational expression not defined. So we need to find all possible values for which this rational expression is not defined. That is the question. So basically we need to equate denominator, which is y times y plus 1 in the first example, to 0, right? So these are two factors. When you multiply them, you should get 0. So the values could be either y is equal to 0, right? So either this y is 0 or y plus 1 is 0. So there are two possibilities. So either y equals to 0 or y plus 1 equal to 0. Now this y plus 1 equals to 0 gives you the answer as y equals to minus 1. So our answer is y equals to 0 or minus 1. So these are the two values of y which this rational expression cannot have. So that is the concept. Now I'd like you to copy these questions and answer them. Part B is x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 times x plus 2. Part C is y divided by 2x times x minus y, and D is 2x divided by 2 minus 3x times x plus 2. Now one more suggestion. Here we have x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 times x plus 2. At times you can always cancel this, right? Once you cancel, you're left with x minus 1. Now some of you may just equate x minus 1 to 0 and find one answer, that is x is equal to 1. And so you say, well, one restriction is x equals to 1. Well, initially the question also had x plus 2. So don't forget to also equate x plus 2 equal to 0 and find the second restriction, which is x is equal to minus 2. So there are two restrictions here. Even if you can cancel it, restrictions remain. That is kind of very important to understand. So x is restricted, that it cannot be equal to 1 and minus 2, right? Since the question says for what values of variable is the given rational expression not defined, so these two values for x, this expression is not defined. That is why we are writing x equals to 1 and x equals to minus 2. Similarly, do the other two also. So we have y over 2x times x minus y, and then we have 2x divided by 2 minus 3x times x plus 2. Let me give you answers for both. Here x is equals to, this will give you 0 and this will give you y. And here the answer is x is equals to, we want 2, right? So we need to multiply this by 2 over 3. So if x is 2 over 3, then it is restricted, and x equals to minus 2. So these are the answers for part C and D. So try to get the correct answer and then move on to the other videos. Thank you and all the best.